common questions that I am always asked is how to upgrade yourself. Hi, my name is Jessie D'Souza and I am a digital business coach for women, and I help women make money using skills, knowledge and expertise. If you are looking to monetize your skills and knowledge, then it is imperative that you upgrade yourself. Now, upgrading yourself is not just about your skills. There are so many things when it comes to upgrading yourself. You need to upgrade your mindset. Now, what is upgrading mindset, right? The way you think, the way you feel, the way you act, all these things need to change if you really want to upgrade. And you need to upgrade your body, what you eat, and what kind of exercise you do, and how much you sleep. All these things are very important. And you need to upgrade your soul, right? How you think, inside of you, and what are your subconscious thoughts, and how you feel about yourself when you see others succeeding and you are facing the challenges. You need to upgrade your knowledge and your core area of expertise. Suppose if you know a few things about certain subjects and you have a lot of passion to learn more about it, or eventually you want to help someone with those concepts or to solve their problems, the surface level knowledge or the expertise is not enough. You have to understand the in-depth concepts and how it is going to help others is important. So you have to upgrade your knowledge and your core area of expertise by learning the tactics, the strategies, the principles, by taking some courses. You need to upgrade your technical skills. Now, it is quite challenging to learn the tools and use them in your business. However, if you learn and master these tools and softwares, the benefits will be immense. You need to upgrade your vision, mission and goals. Right? Now, you might think that why vision, why mission and why goals? People come to me for coaching, and when they come, the first question is how much money I can make. This is a very simple question, and this question comes from employee mindset. Because if you are truly thinking about entrepreneur, you know that there is no limit to your income or revenue, right? People who have been in corporate jobs and have been still working in the corporate jobs think like how much I can make per month. What is the monthly income? What is the monthly pay that I can get? So when you when you want to become an entrepreneur, when you want to turn your knowledge into a profit-making business, then you got to think like an entrepreneur. You need to have a bigger mission. You need to have a bigger mission to help thousands of people so that you can create a bigger impact in the world. And money is byproduct of your service. So whenever you help a lot of people, money comes automatically to you. You need to upgrade to your next level. Now, one question that I want to ask you is, what is your identity? How do you identify yourself? Right? So, identity comes from the beliefs that we had right from the childhood. If people, these people could be society or parents or relatives, when they label you that you are really hardworking, or you are a lazy person, or you are good for nothing, we believe it. And that is why we take these beliefs into reality. We think that is the reality and we act like that. If you want to really upgrade yourself, you need to understand who are you at your identity level. If you want to become the best version of yourself, you have to change your identity. What is your identity? Look at these successful people. What are their identities? Right? They are committed to whatever they want to do. They are responsible and they are action takers. These three fundamental elements that you must have to upgrade yourself truly to become a successful entrepreneur. And if you want to learn more about these and how you can turn your knowledge or skill into a successful business, then you please join my community, which is Freedompreneur by Design, and I will see you inside the